Welcome back, guys. Today is all about Stream Deck Mobile. If you want to know more, stick around. Also, if you're new to the channel and enjoy the video and the content that we do, hit that subscribe and notification button so you won't miss any content. And that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so we're starting off right here at the Elgato website, and we're downloading the Stream Deck for Windows software. All of these links, by the way, will be in the description, so you know where to get them. So, waiting for this to download shouldn't take long. It's not a very big download. So, we'll wait for this for a second. All right, so you just click through the next, accept the agreement, click through the next to install it. Relatively painless. Doesn't take very long. Click finish. All right, so this is the software. It has little tiles on the side of it and stuff like that, or blank tiles when there's. So on your phone, you'll have this thing that says connect your phone to the Stream Deck. You have to be on the same network or Wi-Fi or whatever it is. And then once you go into the software, you'll actually have a little QR code that you have to get. You're just going to go up to You're going to follow the instructions right here, and we're going to go up to the default profile right here. And you're going to go add mobile device. It's right there. And then it's going to wait for it to get the QR code. There it is. So just take your phone and put it up against that QR code so I can see it. And there you go. And you're connected. It is that simple. Okay, now that we've got Stream Deck, the software installed, I've got it up right here, and then I've got OBS Studios running in the background. So anyway, when you first start it up, all of this stuff right here is going to be empty. You can see that I've already got stuff for my stream set up in here. We'll go over and show you what a couple of these do. This one actually start stream. Obviously, it goes here and it clicks this button and it starts the stream. Nothing special to it. It just title start stream, and that's what it does. So for this one, the stream start, it goes to a specific scene, and we'll move it to the scene here in a second. So I can show you. It's gonna click over. Just the way that I'm recording this, it's gonna click over to a full screen desktop, and I'll click it over, and then I'll click it back. But we'll go over on what it's gonna do. So it's gonna go to the stream starting scene. It's going to mute the mic. It's going to go and it's going to activate the mixer audio or the audio with that scene, and the video capture device or whatever you're using, it's going to leave that audio off. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. It'll jump to that screen, but I'll come right back. To do that, you're going to go into your app on your phone. Obviously, this is my phone, and I'm mirroring it with Samsung Decks. But for the stream starting, you're just going to go ahead and click it, and these will automatically populate with you being on the same network. It'll populate them to your phone. So we'll go ahead and click this just to show you, and then we'll come back. stream start, and here we go. Anyway, so when I came back to this scene where I'm at right now, I had to unmute my mic and just whatever. I like being able to mute my mic whenever I need to, so I don't have to actually touch the mic. I can just, I mean, you can touch the mic or you could touch the computer or anything like that. But if you got a button dock in front of you, you just click a button and it does it. So we'll show you how to set up a multi-action. It's the same thing with a single action for one of these tiles. So over here on the right-hand side, you've got game capture, different things you can do with the Elgato game capture software, different things you could do inside Mixer, chat, your viewers, clear chat. That one's a nice one. I kind of wish they had something in here for restream if you were doing like multi-streaming, but they don't. But anyway, we're going to go down to OBS Studios, and we're going to say, we're going to go down to Stream Deck. Multi-action switch. This one toggles between two multi-actions for on and off. We'll go with just the regular multi-action. It's the same thing. It's just this one just toggles between turning something on and off. But we're just gonna click this one here really quick. So you can drag and drop this in any one that you want. I'm gonna put it right here, and we're gonna name this mic on or just on. So you know that it turns the mic on. So we're gonna go up to OBS Studios because it's for OBS, and we're gonna go to the mixer audio, and we're just gonna drop it right in here. When you drop it in here, it gives you a few options. So your source is for me in this video is going to be my mic or my auxiliary. So we're going to say that. And this one right here is telling you to activate or deactivate that device or that source. We're going to say activate, and we're going to say mic on. And then it's done. There's no need to save, nothing, any of that. You just go ahead and click up, and it's there. And then if you go over to your phone, see it's already there because they're talking back and forth and you've got them on the same network. So if you're looking at my at OBS right here, you can see the mic is right here. If we go ahead and turn it off, I'm gonna be quiet because obviously you're not gonna be able to hear me if we got the mic off. I'm gonna click on right here, and then we're gonna click mic on to turn the mic back on. And there's the mic is back on. So yeah, it works. It works really, really well. Now you can do that for different things over here on the side. You can do it for your stream, different sources that you want to click to. Like if you're in OBS and you're in studio mode and you want to click to different sources. Like let's say you have a web page up or an image up or anything like that, and you want to click over to that, you can drop that in there. So it's just a one button click. No need for you to find the website or whatever it is and bring it to the screen. You just click that and it pops it up. Anyway, so having that done, there's a lot of different things you can do on here. I'll let you guys go ahead and play with it. There's a lot of things you can do with this. It really only works with 3 different types of streaming software. You've got XSplit, you've got OBS and OBS Studios and Streamlabs are kind of sort of the same thing, but kind of not. So I kind of count them as one, even though they're not. And then there's the Elgato streaming software. Obviously, Elgato is the one that made this, so they're going to put their stuff in there. Anyway, you can play around with this. You have more actions if you want to do different things. Analog clocks, your hues, just different mods, pretty much different mods that you can add to it. There's an NVIDIA one. There it is. Control NVIDIA Shadow Play from your Stream Deck. There's a lot of things that you can do in here. If you're on Mixer, there's a Mixer Up plugin, which is nice. Still don't see that there's a restream thing in here, which is just kind of boggles my mind. Anyway, I'll let you guys play with that. That is my video. I do have one coming later on. For my my lighting and my camera setup. That should be, all that stuff should be delivered today. And I know Elgato has like a key lights and different things you can buy from them. That's kind of pricey. That's kind of the reason why I did the whole app thing. Software is, in my opinion, nowhere close to being where hardware is. That's the reason for hardware. And doing the whole IT thing every day, it's kind of what I do for work. I wouldn't replace software for hardware completely. And that's the give and take between this and actually getting the Stream Deck, the hardware. The hardware is like $150. This is like $299 a month. So it's going to take several years to recoup or to spend that $150. And it's more of a budget thing for me. You can go out and buy the $150 one, but when new models come out and that older one gets deprecated, then you have to spend another $150 or whatever the cost is going to be on a new one. Where you're going to be upgrading your phone every year anyway. Why not just have the software on your phone and be able to do the same thing, so you're not buying? I mean, there's pros and cons of both things. I went this way just because it's best for me, and I use my phone for a lot of things anyway. So if you guys think the software one is the better one, the better option, or the hardware one is the better option, go ahead and leave that in the comments. And again, like I said, I will get the video up tomorrow for the lighting and stuff like that. Like I said, Elgato has a key light thing and a lighting system, but I think they're a little bit pricey. So I'm going to review the ones that I bought and see how they compare to Elgato's version of them and different ones on the market. Anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like the video, hit the don't like it button. People are going to do that. Not everyone is going. This video is not going to be for everyone. If you guys want, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification button, so where you'll know when new videos like this come. And I will see you guys next time.